Motion of two bodies connected by a string which is passing over a pulley. One body is placed on a table, other is suspended. So we have a pulley at the edge of a table over which a string is passing, and a body of mass m1 is suspended by using that string, and also another body of mass m2 is placed on a horizontal table and that is connected to the same string, and this is the pulley. M2 is the mass of the body which is placed on the horizontal table. M1g is the weight of the body which is hanging. T is the tension acting in the string in connection with the motion of the body of mass m1, and the mass m1 moves downwards with an acceleration a, and the body of mass m2 which is placed on the table will be moving with an acceleration a towards right horizontally under the action of tension T, and m2g is the weight of the body of mass m2 which is placed on the table. So here this is the frictionless horizontal table. Frictionless horizontal table. Let a be the common acceleration, a be the acceleration with which a be the acceleration with which the body of mass m1 with which the body of mass m1 moves downwards under the action of two forces m1g and t, moves downwards also the another body of mass m2 which is placed on the table, which is placed on the frictionless horizontal table, will be moving towards the pulley with the same acceleration. The body of mass m2 placed on the table moves with the same acceleration, moves with the same acceleration towards the pulley with the same acceleration a, towards the pulley. The body of mass m2 placed on the table moves with the same acceleration a towards the pulley in horizontal direction, towards the pulley in horizontal direction. M1 is the mass of the body which is moving downwards with an acceleration a under the action of two forces m1g and t. M2 is the mass of the another body which will be moving with the same acceleration a towards right, that means towards the pulley in horizontal direction. Considering the downward motion of the body of mass m1 which is suspended by using the string, and the string passes over the pulley, considering the downward motion, considering the downward motion of the body of mass m1 of the body of mass m1, we get net downward force acting on m1 is m1a mass into acceleration, which is m1g minus t. m1g is the weight which is acting downwards, and T is the tension which is acting upwards. Hence, net downward force acting on the body of mass M1 should be M1G minus T, or T equal M1G minus M1A. This is the same formula as that of the apparent weight of a body in a lift moving downwards with a certain acceleration. In that case, apparent weight will be true weight or actual weight minus mass into acceleration. And here also we get the tension, which is M1G minus M1A. This is the tension acting in the string. In connection with the downward motion of the body of mass M1. For the body of mass M1, M1G is the weight which is acting downwards, and T is the tension acting in the string which is acting upwards. So net downward force acting on M1 is M1A, which will be again equal to M1G minus T. Again, considering the motion of the body of mass M1 in horizontal direction towards the pulley. Similarly, considering the horizontal motion of the body of mass, considering the motion of the body of mass M2 placed on horizontal table towards the pulley. Similarly, considering the motion of the body of mass M2 in horizontal direction, we get M2A equal T minus T only, because the body of mass M2 will be moving with an acceleration A under the action of the tension acting in the string. So we get T equal M2A. That is also the tension acting in the string in connection with the motion of the body of mass M2. So for the body of mass M2, M2 is moving with an acceleration A in horizontal direction towards the pulley under the action of the tension T acting in the string. Therefore, net horizontal force acting on the body of mass M2 is M2 dot A. That will be equal to only T, because there is no force acting in the opposite direction of motion of the body of mass M2. No force is acting in the opposite direction. Only tension T is acting towards right. Hence, T is equal to M2 dot A. So we get the two expression of the tension acting in the string. So comparing the equations 1 and 2, we get comparing equations 1 and 2, we get equations 1 and 2, we get M2 dot A is equal to M1G minus M1A. M2 dot A equal M1G minus M1A. M1A or comma M1A plus M2A or M2A plus M1A equal M1G. Therefore, A equal, or A is taken common, so M1 plus M2 bracket closed into A equal to M1G. Therefore, A equal M1 divided by M1 plus M2 bracket closed into G. M1 divided by M1 plus M2 bracket closed into G. A equal M1 divided by M1 plus M2 into G. That is the common acceleration. That is the common acceleration of the two bodies connected by a string, and the string is passing over a pulley. One body is placed on the horizontal table, another body is hanging by using the string. Now T equal, from equation 2, T equal m2 dot a. Now putting the expression of a, T equal m2 dot a from equation 2, bracket closed, or comma T equal m2 dot. So putting the expression of acceleration a, finally we get T as equal m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 dot a dot g. So we get T equal m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into g. That is the tension acting. That is the tension acting in the string. That is the tension acting in the string in connection with the downward motion of the body mass m1 or the horizontal motion of the body of mass m2 placed on the horizontal table. Now we can compare this case with the general case where two bodies are connected by a string and string is passing over a frictionless and light pulley. In this case, two bodies are suspended by using a pulley, and the two bodies are tied to the ends of a string in an extensible string. M1 and M2 are the masses of the two bodies which are suspended by using a string, and string is passing over a pulley. M1G is the weight of the body of mass M1. T is the tension acting in the string in connection with the motion of the body of mass M1. And for the body of mass M2, and M1 is moving downwards with acceleration A, and M2 is also moving upwards with the same acceleration A. Right hand side, we can draw the diagram of this case where a pulley is set at the edge of a table, horizontal table. A body of mass m1 is suspended. Another body of mass m2 is placed on the horizontal table. Another body of mass m2 is placed on the horizontal table, and two bodies are tied to the ends of a string, and the string is passing over the pulley. M1G and T are the two forces acting in connection with the motion of the mass M1, and M1 is moving downwards with acceleration A. M2 is moving towards the pulley, towards right in horizontal direction with the same acceleration. Now, if we compare the expression of acceleration, common acceleration of the two bodies for the left hand side and right hand side, we get what? What is the formula of acceleration? Acceleration A equal to m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2, bracket closed, into g. And here right hand side we have the formula. We have to memorize this formula also. M1 minus 0 divided by m1 plus m2, bracket closed, into g. Difference is what? On the left hand side we have m1 minus m2, but on the right hand side we have m1 minus 0. So finally we get the expression of common acceleration on the right hand side, which is m1 divided by m1 plus m2 into g, which is already proved. M1 is the mass of the body which is moving downwards in the diagram on the left hand side, and M2 is the mass of the body which is moving upwards in connection with the diagram on the left hand side. M2 is moving upwards with the same acceleration A, but on the right hand side M1 is the mass of the body which is moving downwards, and here minus 0. Minus 0 means no mass or no body is moving upwards. The body of mass M2 is moving in horizontal direction. That's why we have to write M1 minus 0. No mass moves upwards. No mass moves upwards in upward direction. That's why you have to write M1 minus 0, not M1 minus M2. Here M2 is moving towards right in horizontal direction with the common acceleration A.